Are you feeling stressed, anxious, or feeling drained of energy? I will show you how energy healing can help you. I'm going to tell you what energy healing is, share my journey, and walk you through an energy healing experience at the end. Energy healing is all about restoring harmony. So, energy healing helps you to release blocks in your body, mind, and spirit and allow you to connect to the universe seamlessly. So, when the life force energy from the universe flows through your system, your life is joyful, your body is healthy. Energy healing helps you to live a happy, healthy, and wise life. People use energy healing to help their body to release limitations with their body, like diseases. And some people work on their life situations like financial stress. And a few people work on spiritual awakening with energy healing. So it helps with everything in your life. I started my healing journey back in late 90s with Reiki. Reiki opened the door for me into the world of energy healing. And I started learning so many different modalities, 60 and counting. Through different spiritual experiences and downloads, I created a system called Light Key Wellness System. It consists of high vibrational symbols, frequencies, and processes to help you to step into your mastery. I teach Light Key Wellness System for people to vibrate differently. And in my private sessions, I use the blend of all the 60 plus different modalities to help people to manifest whatever they desire in this lifetime and beyond. Every modality helps people in a different way. So I don't tend to compare. I don't make it as a conflict between modalities. Instead, I blend them and use whatever works for that particular person at that particular time. People receive different frequencies, different modalities differently at different point of their life as well. It depends on how they vibrate. Music helps people to calm down. So I have started channeling music. I use music as one of the tools, and I use guided meditations to empower people to tap into their awareness. It expands their awareness. Reiki channels the universal life force energy. So when somebody really needs a pickup, I use Reiki. EFT clears blocks in your body, mind, spirit. Light Key Wellness System helps you vibrate differently and step into your mastery. So everything has its own contribution. And I use Sedona method and access consciousness as well, and all the others. Light keys go very well with EFT. So, for example, the frequencies of light key wellness system can be used when you do EFT tapping. And with meditations, I blend in light key frequencies. When you expand into your awareness, light key frequencies gently support you, setting up the space for you. So it's easier for you to step beyond what you are used to. Light key wellness system does not address the symptoms alone. They help you to vibrate differently. So it is a fundamental shift. So your vibration changes. So you step into your mastery and you decide, you choose what you want to change, how you want to change. So rather than taking away something that is not working for you, Light Key Wellness System sets up a field of high vibration into which you step in and you take control of your life as a master. So that's the key difference. Let's do an exercise or an experience to feel the shift right away, okay? So just scan your body and see how flowing it is, where you have stagnant energy, where there is blockage, where there is sensation, and how you feel about your life. In 0 to 10 scale, how happy are you right now? Just make a mental note of it and follow me. Take one hand and put it over your shoulder and another under your armpit, like that. You can cross your ankles or knees. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. And rest your awareness on the inside of your spine and call waves of kindness. It's a light key frequency that floods your system with kindness. Just call waves of kindness. Just rest and allow the frequency to flow through your system. Don't try to figure it out. Just receive. While you are doing that, I'm going to give a quick burst of Reiki energy. All right. Now you can open your eyes and see how your energy has shifted. You can scan your body again. You can sense how happy you are right now. The best thing is energy is beyond time and space. So whether you are here listening to me right now or whether you are listening to a recorded system, it doesn't matter. Energy works. So that is why we have so many videos on YouTube on healing. It works. That's why people go back to it all the time. 1,000 plus videos in this channel. So you can go to any playlist that calls you. You can also join my group healing sessions or group facilitation sessions. You can go to infinitehealing.co.uk to sign up. And if you want to go even deeper, you can sign up for my private session. We have so many free resources in the website, including 4 courses, and you can also sign up for our newsletter to receive 11-minute light matrix audio to make your life lighter. Give it a go. All right. Now, the world is so full of separation and split, right? So, why don't we do a blessing, a light key blessing to go beyond polarity, all the rights, wrongs, you, me, they, us, etc. Why don't we just move into the oneness and thrive together? Okay, so that is the blessing I'm going to send you all right now. Let's go. You can just relax and receive. All right. Thank you for receiving. And if you liked the experience, why don't you put a like, share it with your friends, and help me spread ease and joy in life? Thank you for receiving.